those hawks.
Hello guys, it's the Morons Hex, and in today's video we'll be driving this Citroen XM. It's my brother's car. It's currently down low, and this is 93 2.1 TD engine, turbo diesel engine with 109 horsepower. Let's go! Drive this ancient car. Let's look at it behind. Beautiful car. You can see how low is it? Okay guys, we're inside the car. Let's put the seatbelt and start this big engine.
Okay.
You see this? Very nice. You see this? Oil level. Yeah. The gear knob is from Peugeot, and wow. Normal suspension, it's it. You can see here, this is suspension leveling system, and
pull up. Pull up.
No, I can't.
Pull up.
Ah, okay. I was about to broke it.
Broke it.
But my brother knows more. So this is the really low level. Why we need this level, bro?
So you can slam it like a low rider.
Just because of this, in order to look more pimp mobile.
Of course.
Okay, and we have one more mode, which is upper mode, and in this mode the car can go to some of the obstacles.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have one more mode, which is really high mode, actually, right? We can check. Okay, we can check if there is already up. Yeah, you can see nice clearance. Oh, it's still more. It's still going up, bro. Okay, it's already up. You can see a nice clearance. It's like a SUV. You can really go somewhere in the forest. But if it's not too rainy, because you're stuck somewhere with this front wheel drive after all.
You can't really drive much because it's very uncomfortable and it's not good for the suspension.
Not good for a suspension, so we continue driving on this? Okay, we'll check this mode.
That one.
No, this one here. Yeah. Oh, it's his car, his rules. Okay. we have very interesting system. We push here and put this on. Okay, that's how we remove the handbrake system. Okay, I'm ready.
Are you comfortable?
Oh, very strange wheel.
I hope you don't crash.
It's like I've never driven a car before when I sit in this car.
That's not good.
Okay, let's go and drive this Citroen XM. It has a turbo gauge, that's really interesting. You can see here, showing the boost. It has a really big fuel tank, 80 liters. That's something I really admire in a car that X-Turban can reach 5 and 6 liter or 6 liter. It's really a nice big tank. You can travel a lot. Nice pull from 3000. That's full throttle, guys. Well, it's heavy car, and my brother is too heavy too.
Put on your lights.
Put my lights on from here, I think. Yeah. It's my actually second time, but we can count it at no. Well, we're in Citroen, who cares about it? Oh, Oh, some black smoke on the back.
My Citroen, that's why.
Okay, it has 5 gears and front wheel drive.
Yeah.
This wheel is pointing at my package. I'm a little bit disturbed because okay guys, this is not a video where the guys only drive. This is a annoying video which I will talk all the time almost. Maybe.
Oh, maybe.
It's not a video without narration or something like this.
It's with narration.
It is with a lot of annoying narration.
Okay.
Disturbing all the video. It's not a clean video, I suppose.
Yeah.
Bro, we have to find a multipla to make a video. How
Yeah,
hard can it be?
buy one.
Oh no.
This is very important. If something breaks, you can fix it.
Okay, we can fix it right now. Yeah. All the bolts inside this car are this size, so we don't have to worry about nothing actually.
Even the engine bolts.
Engine bolts, the engine mounts, and even the suspension is made.
Yeah.
So a nice tool. Really a lot of different buttons. We have some sport here thing. It's on normal. It stiffens the suspension on the corners only. I hear something crunching a little bit. Well, very strange tacho you have. I am thinking I'm driving with 60, but it's 80 there. It's different. Okay, 5th gear, and we're driving. Can you push some heating on my legs, because it's really cold today, yeah. Okay. Guys, because the acceleration is not very fabulous, I'll try to make it. Oh no, not 3rd gear, sorry bro.
This is not a
Okay, it's a 2000 RPM full throttle. Oh, I have to rest.
I hope it doesn't blow up.
Okay, 100 kilometers, 5th gear, and we are a little bit above 2000 RPM, so it's a short drive. We're on sport suspension setting here. I better watch out the road.
No, the tires are not there.
Okay, no policeman. I was going. We'll test now. What are the limits? Well, pretty nice. You see 80 kilometers and still nothing at all. Wow, the brake is really strange. It's like you are pushing some pudding. It makes some back force to you. Okay, let's test. Oh, it's a nice boat. You see how it's going. Nice power from here. All the 100 horsepower available at that moment. I feel the rear end will go out of control, so I'll stop here. Let's see this turn. Well, that was pretty nice. I don't want to go to the limits because with this active suspension I don't feel really it can lose its grip and it will be too. 140 will, after this BMW will, after him, we're tailing him. It's very slow. That's full throttle of the BMW, I'm sure. Show this XM how it's done. Okay, 3000 RPM, almost 140 kilometers you see, and still has some power to reach more, but we will not push it now. We are already in the city. We hear some wind.
Some wind noise.
Some wind noise. And when my brother got rich enough, he will buy this thing here, which can allow him go extra urban.
Yeah, this thing.
It's called Vinete.
I don't have enough money for that.
Yeah, and when he's rich enough, actually, we will go to make some top speed. I think top speed will be around 170, 180. What do you think, bro? But we'll have to wait a bit.
Yeah.
To drink some tea inside. Or whiskey. Do you have cup holders, bro? No?
Nah, no.
Nah. I'm driving always in sport. Why do you need normal mode at all?
I see that it's leaking from somewhere.
It's leaking or no? Oh,
I
is it?
think so.
Wow, that's bad, bro. Is it? Okay, this is my favorite. You can really test here.
Can you understand?
Oh, you see, it's a BMW, man.
Pretty much.
Whoa! Oh, this car, bro, you haven't bought a very secure car. This car can kill you. It can kill me too. I didn't expect a front wheel drive will throw his ass. I'll do it again, bro.
You don't need rear-wheel drive.
Oh, there is a roundabout here. Wow. You felt like the rear end is going out of the control. That's because of the rear wheels steering. Yeah, and I read some article about Renault Megane, and it's the same. It's the same. It says it's very good on the curvy roads, but you can really throw your ass somewhere.
Yeah.
Because when you go above the limits, the car is a little bit unpredictable. As front wheel drive car, you're not expecting this.
Yeah, and also the back end is very light.
The back end is very wide, and it really steers nice, but this one can be scary, but it's so funny. It's little by little, but it's not controllable with the rear tires, actually, like a BMW.
Yeah, you can control it with the front.
With the front, yeah, but you don't have to push it too much, because if you go too much, you
Understeer.
I will not do it anymore because it's not my car, and I will crash somewhere.
This is no steering wheel for drifting.
Yeah, but it's nice because actually it is a kind of drifting steering wheel, because it has some deepness here, you see, like OMP and Momo.
Better than OMP.
Well, it can be driven hard, but it's not meant to be. How are we? Our temperature good? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, full throttle here.
Some understeer.
Yeah, if it's below 80 kilometers, you got understeer because you don't have enough force from the back to throw the rear end. But if it's extra urban with 140, this happen, it won't be good. I don't know how this how these drivers cope with this. It's really dangerous, bro. I'm afraid for you. But it steers nice, actually, until it starts, and after it starts it's very nice. It's like you're starting to sing
yeah, actually it was this corner that
yeah, this corner is also very drifty, because if you have speed gained on the,
I thought it would understeer, then it started sliding. It was
yeah. Okay, my video got long enough, actually, so we will continue this video in part 2 because it's too long and I don't want to be too long. I'll split it into 2 videos, and there are some other reasons which I will not discuss right now. And so see you in part 2. You can check there will be link to the part 2. Okay guys, thank you, subscribe, watch our other videos driving, and stay tuned for more. Stay healthy and so on. Bye guys.